Hello students, welcome to Next. I'm going to explain you about a very special program which allows you to access and work on something that will help you become a programmer 2 to 3 times better than any other fresher or graduate in just 2 months. The Techie Pro. If you're a graduate or a final year student looking to kickstart your career in tech, this is the perfect place for you to be. This is a 2 months on-site program where you will be required to come into the office from Monday to Friday for just 2 hours with flexible timings and 4 to 6 hours worth of assignments to be done from home. The key objective behind keeping this program offline is that we are not an edtech company or any training center. We are a hardcore software development company. This program offers the unique opportunity to engage in hands-on projects, providing practical experiences and real-world application. It also emphasizes real-time learning on current industry trends, enhancing relevance and applicability. You will undergo comprehensive training in soft skills and resume optimization. Upon completion, you'll receive a professional experience letter validating your skills and boosting your job prospects. Additionally, you will have access to unlimited job assistance and mock interviews to boost your confidence for actual interviews. We also have extended support for 2 months after the completion of your program. You can come for a day for 2 hours per week for project or job-related interactions and counseling. During the entire period of your program, you will be interacting with our senior IT professionals to implement practice projects and live applications and learn from them. In this program, you will get complete exposure to the corporate work environment where you would be a part of the team and will interact with them on a daily basis. Now, students with the given criteria will be eligible. Background in BE, BTech, MTech, BCA, MCA or BSc in Computer Science. Good communication skills and a positive attitude. Current final year students or previous 5-year graduates. Your selection process will be in the following way. Round 1. Interview with the program manager. Round 2. Interview with the HR manager. And round 3. Interview with the technical team. Our professional fee for your live project experience and unlimited job assistance is Rs 25,000 plus GST. You also have an installment option of paying Rs 15,000 in the first month and the rest 10,000 rupees with GST to be paid in the following month. Anyone who joins Techie Pro can later upgrade to our 100% job guaranteed program, Techie Super.
Do I need to be technically strong before joining?
Not really. All you need is the right attitude, have a hard-working mindset and a proper discipline to join the program.
Do you provide food and accommodations in Bangalore?
No, we don't. But we will be happy to assist you in finding the right place for your accommodation.
Do I have the option to select a project of my choice?
Yes, we have live projects in 4 different areas, namely full stack development, data science, data analytics and QA automations.
Can I bring my parents?
Yes, we encourage you to visit our Bangalore office.
How will I get the loan process?
You will be guided to our L&T Financials platform where the designated authorities will guide you through the entire loan processes.
Can I cancel the loan process in between?
No. Once you sign up, you are contractually obligated. There are no refund policies in between.
What will be my salary package?
It is completely dependent on your performance and learning capabilities. You have the choice to keep appearing for as many interviews as you want. But once your job is finalized, our obligations will be over. We will always want you to get the best package.
Is there a money back in this?
No, there is no money back or any refund.
Do I need my own laptop?
Yes, you need your own laptop with a decent configuration of 8GB RAM, Intel Core i5 with an SSD or HDD. More details about the program have been shared in the document. Please go through each and every pointer before applying. Happy learning!